Alright, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial to the song I Knew With Trouble. It's a remix and it goes something like, so you put me down, put me down, put me down. Alright, starting with mini section 1, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes like this. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let me break it down for you. So the first thing we want to do is just do the legs and the leaning from side to side. So what I want you to do is step on your left, boom, and at the same time you want to lean slightly to your left, alright? And then you want to do the same just to the right side, alright? So far we've done left, right, and then you want to do a double, you go left, right, left, okay? So first left, right, left, right, left. Now, it's going to be double tempo at the end, so you don't need to exaggerate with the leaning here. So you want to do like a big one, small, small, big. Okay? So boom, 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 boom. Now, then the arms, you can add on the arms. You want to go boom, okay? So when I lean to my left, I'm going to put my left arm up, right arm is down, and then I want to do the opposite. When I lean to the other side, and then boom, boom, boom. Okay? So first it's left, then it's right, then it's left, right, left. Alright, now before we start practicing, let me just explain the timing. The timing goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright? And it's 3 and 4 because it's double tempo. Alright? And then it continues 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to do it a bit faster. I'm just going to show you. It's going to look like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, let's try and practice. We're going to go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's just try that again. Maybe a slight faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright guys, feel free to pause the video and practice as many times as you need before moving on to mini section 2. Alright, let me show you a quick preview of mini section 2. It goes like this. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Alright, let me break it down for you. So when you break it down, it's actually really simple. The hard part is when you combine it, alright? So when you just do the arms, it's basically just saying, starting to your left there, prepping and saying 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Pretty simple, right? Also the feet, very simple. You just say left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Alright, before I start explaining the hip here, let's just try and combine those two things, so the arm and the feet here. So when you do it together, you want to say prep 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Alright, so notice how when I'm prepping, I'm lifting my foot here, and then I'm stepping as soon as I go to the other side. The same goes when I prep here to the left again. I lift it up, land, lift, land, lift, land, lift, land, and so on. Alright? So just try and practice that. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go and 1, and 2, and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now, if you wanted to, you could just leave it at that and just move on to mini section 3. But if you want to put more complexity to it, then I'll just explain the hip and also the hip. Alright? So the hip is just doing the same. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Alright? And it's every time you're doing this to the left, your legs to the left, your arms to the left, hip to the left, and then right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now I'm just exaggerating. Left, right, left, right, right, left, right. Alright, so when I do it a bit faster, it's going to look like this. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let's just practice that one time before we start adding the head. Alright, so I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And then a final detail, the head. So when you move to the left here, just want to keep your head still. But then on the first one to the right here, you want to say bow. All right, so I'm just gonna tilt my head here to my right side, boom, and then I just keep still the rest of this part, right? So every time I move to my right, I want to go and boom, here, still, still, and boom, here, still, still. All right, it's actually left, right, and. All right, let me just recap here and also show you the timing. And feel free to do a more simple version if that's what you want. All right, so I'm doing and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, let's just practice that one last time. All right, so I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's just do mini section 1 and mini section 2 now. All right, I'm gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. All right, a quick run through. So, lean to the left, step with your left arm up, and then it's opposite, then it's stop, pull here, then it's right, then it's left, then it's stop, pull here. Now you say prep, left, right, left, in, right, in, left, in, prep, left, right, in, prep, left, right, in. Now the count's super simple. You just go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. All right, let's try and practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Alright guys, feel free to pause the video and practice some more. Now we're gonna move on to mini section 3. Alright, quick preview of mini section 3. It goes like this. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you wanna do is say your feet is going on your toes, flicking your heels to the side. Alright, so I'm just gonna go boom. Alright, you don't need to lift it like that, exaggerate it. You're just gonna go boom. And then the other side, boom. And then you wanna go boom, boom. Okay? So it's right, left, left. Okay? Now the arms are sort of just following, sort of. So you're going right, you're going left, then you wanna go circle here. Okay? Let me just repeat that slowly, only the arms. Right, left, then I'm going a circle. So if you're looking from above, basically what I'm doing is I'm going right, left, boom, here. Okay? So boom, 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 boom. Alright? Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so with the timing, let me just recap here. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, mini section 4. Let me just show you a quick preview. So right after boom, 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 4 goes A, A, A. Alright, let me explain. So right after boom, 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 here, what you want to do is you want to take a step out to the front here. So this is my left, whoom, and then I want to go back. Pretty simple, right? So if I just show it from another view, here, if this was my front, all right, I would be stepping out with my left, and I will be stepping back in. Okay, now the arm, might as well show you the arms from this side. I'm going out, in, okay? Whoom, whoom. Let me show it from the other angle here. Whoom, whoom. And then after that, you just want to go, right after this, you just want to go to the front, and then you want to keep your left up here, and right goes in this circle motion thing, all right? Whatever this is. You can also do a freestyle, whatever you want, all right? So, let me just recap here. We did step out, in, here, and. All right, as for the timing, so let's rewind a bit. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Minutes in 4, the timing is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's just try and practice. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna start on 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I think we should practice minute section 3 and 4, all right? So let me just quickly run through it. 3 was right, left, right, left. And that's the left, right, round here. And then the timing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and we start on 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.